How to change characters in solo leveling arise. Now this method is very quite simple and very easy to do. All you have to do first is to ensure that you're currently on the lobby for you to be able to successfully change characters or change hunters. Now this menu or this icon is usually indicated as a blank profile that has a recycle arrow in it, usually located at the lower right portion of your screen. So there are only three options in there: the acceleration option, the attack option, and then the character option. Now tap on the character option and then choose your designated or your preferred character or your hunter. Once you have successfully chosen one, then just simply choose or click on save for you to officially change characters in it. And that's it. That's how I change characters in solo leveling arise.